Lot there to you. In this video, we're going to figure out what the quantity purchased will be exactly given the price elasticity of demand and then given a price change. So first, let's write out the formula we want to use. We want to use the ARC elasticity formula, which is the one about the change. So this is percent change in quantity over percent change in price. And we've got the price change going from 10 to 12. Okay, and then we know that the elasticity is negative 1.5, but in absolutes we could say it's 1.5. So we'll say 1.5. So that's this right here. Then we want to know what the percent change in price is, and then this will tell us what the percent change in quantity is. Okay, so we can just, once we know this, we can solve for the change in quantity, and then we'll just say how much of a change is that from 40. So the formula here is going to be the new value, 12, minus the old, so 12 rupees minus 10 rupees. Now, typically we'd use the midpoint method, so the midpoint between the two. I'm just going to use where we came from. I'm going to use just going from one direction to the other, so I'm not going to use the midpoint method. But whatever, solve for this, and this gives you your percent change. So I'm going to rewrite that 1.5 and percent change in quantity over, this is 2 rupees over 10 rupees, so 1/5, which is the same as saying 20%. So this is 20%, so the percent change in quantity is going to be multiply both sides by 20%, and we get 30%. So we're going to get 30% a decrease from 40. So you got a couple of options here. You could multiply 0.7 times 40, because that would be that's 70% of 40. You could take 10% off 3 times. I'm just going to take 70% of 40 is 28. So 28 is the total quantity that the consumer would purchase when the price is 12 rupees.